Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss Design and Analysis of Algorithm BTU Model Question Paper 2024 solution. Question number 5a. Define AVL trees. Explain its 4 types of rotations. It is a 10-mark question. Definition for an AVL tree. AVL tree is a binary search tree in which the balance factor of every node is defined as the difference between the heights of the nodes of the left subtree minus right subtree. That is, the difference of the nodes of left subtree and right subtree, it should be either 0, +1 or -1. In the sense, the tree is balanced. Otherwise, the tree is unbalanced. Okay. So, AVL tree is a binary search tree. What do you mean by binary search tree? If you are considering the root node in binary search tree, the left subtree nodes, everything should consist of less than 50. Okay, all the elements in the left subtree should be less than 50, and all the right subtree nodes, if you are considering in the sense, it should be greater than 50. Okay, so any tree, if it satisfies this condition in the sense, that tree is a binary search tree. Compared to the root node, all the left subtree elements, okay, whatever the elements present in the left subtree, everything should be less than 50, and whatever the elements present in the right subtree, all the elements should be greater than 50. That is binary search tree. So, the first condition for AVL tree is the AVL tree should be a binary search tree, and also the second condition, and also the balance factor for every node is the difference between the heights of the nodes left and right subtree, that is, it should be either 0, +1 or -1. If any tree that satisfies both the condition, if it is a binary search tree and satisfies the balance factor, then that tree is a AVL tree. So, whenever you are inserting a new node into an AVL tree, that time the tree may be unbalanced. So, to convert the unbalanced binary search tree into an AVL tree, you have to apply rotation. Okay, what do you mean by rotation? Rotation is nothing but it is a local transformation of its subtree rooted at a node whose balance factor has become either +2 or -2. So, whenever you are inserting a new node into a binary search tree and the tree is unbalanced in the sense, that time the tree is not AVL tree. Okay, to convert the binary search tree into an AVL tree, it has to satisfy the balance factor. Okay, so to satisfy the balance factor, we have to apply a rotation. Okay, so when we will apply a rotation in the sense, when the balance factor has become +2 or -2, while doing insertion, when the balance factor is +2 or -2 in the sense, that time we will apply a rotation. Okay, so rotation is nothing but a local transformation to convert unbalanced binary search tree into a balanced one. And if there are several such nodes in the sense, we have to apply a rotation to the tree rooted at the unbalanced node. That is, where actually you are performing an insertion, closest to that newly inserted leaf only unbalanced factor may occur. So, you have to apply a rotation to the tree rooted at the unbalanced node closest to the newly inserted leaf. Once the tree satisfies the balance factor in the sense, then the binary search tree becomes an AVL tree. Okay, so these are all the conditions for AVL tree. One is it should satisfy binary search tree condition and balance factor condition. Then it becomes an AVL tree. So, to convert the unbalanced binary search tree into a balanced one, we can apply rotations. There are 4 types of rotations we can able to apply in AVL tree. Okay, one is R rotation, which is nothing but single right rotation. Okay, single rotation is enough. That too, we have to apply right side. And a single left rotation. So, these two comes under single rotation. Okay, and the next is double left right rotation and right left rotation. So, first time you have to apply your left rotation followed by right rotation. Then here in oral rotation, first time you have to apply your right rotation followed by left rotation. Okay, first or rotation, single right rotation. The first rotation type is called single right rotation or simply or rotation. So, here the rotation is performed after a new key is inserted into the left subtree of the left child. Okay, in the left subtree, as a left child, when you are inserting a new node, that time unbalanced factor occurs in the sense, to convert it into a balanced one, you have to apply a rotation. Previously, the balance factor will be +1. Okay, so here example, so this is a binary search tree, and here the balance factor, if you are considering, this is 0 and this is Number of left subtree is 1, right subtree is 0. 1 minus 0, it is plus 1. Okay, so previously the balance factor is plus 1 only for the root node. Here it is 0. So the complete tree is balanced only. Now I am going to insert a new node as a left child of left subtree. If I am inserting a new node here in the sense, now the balance factor will get affected. Here value is 0. Here balance factor is plus 1. And here the balance factor has become plus 2. What do you mean by balance factor? Number of the left subtree minus number of the right subtree. Okay. So here it is unbalanced. So to convert this unbalanced binary search tree. Now this is a binary search tree but not a AVL tree because balance factor is not satisfied. Okay. So to convert the unbalanced binary search tree into a balanced one, you have to apply a rotation. So here you have to apply a single right rotation. So if you are applying a single right rotation, now root node will be 2, its left child will be 1 and its right child will be 3. Now, if you are checking the balance factor, everywhere it is balanced. So, to convert this unbalanced binary search tree, we have applied a single right rotation. So, this unbalanced factor, when it will occur? When you are inserting a new key into the left subtree of the left child. Left subtree as a left child, if you are inserting, this unbalanced factor will occur. Next is single left rotation. So, this is symmetric to the right rotation. So, this is the mirror image of the single right rotation. It is performed after a new key is inserted into the right subtree of the right child. So, whenever you are inserting a new node into its right subtree as a right child in the sense, this unbalance factor may occur. Previously, the balance factor will be minus 1 for the root node. Okay, for example, if you are considering in the sense 1, 2. So, here this is a binary search tree and this is a AVL tree. Now, it satisfies the balance factor. Here it is 1, here it is 2. So, right subtree is greater compared to the root node. Okay. And balance factor, if you are checking, this is 0 and this is number of left subtree is 0 minus 1. You will get it as minus 1. Okay. So, when you are inserting a new node as a right child in the right subtree in the sense, here after inserting a new node 3, if you are checking the balance factor, here the balance factor is 0, here it is minus 1, here it is minus 2. If the balance factor is 0 plus 1 or minus 1, it is balanced only. If it is minus 2, it is unbalanced. So, to convert this unbalanced binary search tree into a balanced one, you have to apply a single left rotation here. So, if you are applying a single left rotation, now root node will be 2, left child will be 1 and its right child will be 3. Now, if you are checking the balance factor, everywhere it is balanced. Okay. So, whenever you are inserting a new node into the right subtree as a right child, this balance factor will get affected in the sense you have to apply a single left rotation. Next, LR rotation. This is actually a double rotation. Okay. So, this rotation is a double left-right rotation or simply LR rotation. It is a combination of two rotations. Perform L rotation of the left subtree followed by R rotation of the new tree rooted at R. Okay. Here, whenever you are inserting a new key into the right subtree of the left child, that is, if you are inserting a new node at the right subtree of the left child, a new node if you are inserting in the sense, balance factor will get affected. Previously, the balance factor will be plus 1. For example, if this is the tree in the sense, here the balance factor if you are considering in the sense, this is 0, minus 1 and this is plus 2. Okay, here the balance factor gets affected whenever you are inserting a new node into the right subtree. This right subtree, whenever you are performing insertion in the sense, the balance factor will get affected. So, in this case, what we have to do it in the sense, here you need to apply double rotation. Then only the balance factor will get corrected. So, first we have to apply a left rotation for these two nodes. Okay, and then followed by a right rotation. Okay. So, here when you are performing a left rotation, what will happen? The tree will be like this 3, 1 and if you are performing 3, 2 and 1. So, here when you are performing a left rotation, 2 goes here and 1 become the left child of 2. Okay. And then you have to perform a right rotation. So, if you are performing, you will get the tree like this 2, 1 and 3. Now, if you are checking the balance factor, everywhere it is balanced. Okay, so this is double left-right rotation. Next is double RL rotation or right-left rotation. It is simply a mirror image of LR rotation. And it is a combination of two types of rotation like LR rotation. Perform the right rotation of the right subtree followed by left rotation of the new tree. This unbalance factor, when it will happen in the sense, when you are inserting a new key into the left subtree of the right child. Okay, previously the balance factor will be -1. Okay, so here, for example, if this is the tree in the sense, when you are inserting a new node into the left subtree of the right child. Okay, so this is the right child. You are inserting as a new node as the left subtree. Okay, so here unbalance factor will get affected. Previously the balance factor will be -1. Okay, so here it is -2. So here to convert this unbalanced binary search tree into a balanced one, here you have to apply two types of rotation. So based on these two nodes, you have to apply a right rotation followed by left rotation. Okay, so how will in the sense, once you apply the right rotation, the tree will be like this. 1, 2 and 3 you will get it. Then you have to apply a left rotation. Okay. So this I am showing for your understanding purpose. Actually, this will not be given in books and all. So here, when you are applying a left rotation, 2 will becomes the root node, 1 will be the left child, 3 will be the right child. And if you are considering the balance factor, everywhere it gets balanced and it is a binary search tree. So RL rotation in the sense, when you are inserting new node as the left subtree of the right child, to the right child you are inserting a new node as the left subtree. Okay. LR rotation in the sense, when you are inserting a new node into the right subtree of the left child. So these are all the 4 types of rotation we will apply in AVL tree to convert the unbalanced binary search tree into a balanced one. So this unbalance factor, whenever it will happen in the sense, whenever you are inserting a new node, that time only this unbalance factor may happen. So every time whenever you are inserting a new node, you have to check the, after insertion, you have to check the balance factor. If it is balanced, no need to apply rotation. If it is unbalanced, apply the appropriate rotation to convert it into a balanced one. So this is all about AVL tree and its rotations. Thank you for watching this video.